Nature is the original chemist, manufacturing compounds to survive. So here are 5 native plants doing heavy lifting for your health. First is American skullcap, the brain soother, which uses biocalin to act as a brake for a racing nervous system. Next is alfalfa, your system filter, which targets kidney health and prevents cholesterol absorption. Then there is red alder, the protector, a survival kit in itself where the bark fights inflammation and mashed leaves treat wounds. Fourth is angelica, the digestion defender, using its root to stop bloating or clear a cough. Finally, meet amaranth, ancient energy, packed with antioxidants to lower blood pressure and boost immunity. Nature's pharmacy is open. Which remedy do you need most?